Hey everybody, in today's mini lesson I'm going to show you how to play the intro from Johnny B Goode by Chuck Berry. This is probably one of the best collections of Chuck Berry songs. It's called The Great 28, and you can get it on pretty much, there's like tons of versions of it out there. Before I get started, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. Okay, so the song is in the key of B flat, so a lot of the positions will start with your index finger at the 6th fret on the high E string. Usually, a lot of the positions will be bridging over on the B string as well. And so for the first part, you're going to start with your middle finger on the 7th fret, and you're going to just do this kind of progression, and then you're going to slide up. So and Chuck Berry likes to do a lot of those slides, and he'll do a lot of stuff with that finger bridged. In a lot of the different songs. So far we've got. And then the next part is, it's a little tricky if you're not used to using your pinky, but you're going to pick up these notes with your pinky on the 9th fret. So again, that's. So you're going to walk down, and then you're going to do a hammer-on from the 6th to the 7th fret on the G string. Okay, so far we have. And then the next part, I find it easy, not easy, but easiest to play with my middle finger and my ring finger. And the reason that I like to do these slides with that finger is that it puts you right in position to do the next part. Okay, so you're going to do these slides, and then you're going to leave your middle finger in the same spot, which is why I like to do this with my middle and ring finger. So you're going to leave your middle finger in the same spot on the 7th fret, and then you're going to put your index finger on the 6th and your ring finger on the 8th, and you're going to do this. And then you're going to move down to. So again, the reason that this is one of the trickier parts because you're moving your hands a lot, and so to keep the movement to a minimum, like I said, I like to do the middle finger and ring finger on this slide position. And then for the next part, it's bends. And these are just kind of traditional. He picks up some of the top strings, so you can bridge your finger if you want. And then the last phrasing is a little tricky as well, but it's just kind of a descending scale in the minor pentatonic. So you're going to put your index finger on the 6th string. So you go. So again, slowly it's. And so if you put it all together, it goes like this. So that's basically it for the intro to Johnny B Goode, and these types of things that Chuck Berry does, like the these can be used like in any position, in any key, on any song. The bends, and then bridging your finger on the top 2 strings, and like just using those positions. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If remember to like the video on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be doing new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.